I need some stuff, so I'm going to the store. I'm going to go through the self-checkout line, and I will show you how it works. Come on. Let's go shopping. Once you've decided you want to do self-checkout, you got to find the self-checkout. Some stores have it, some stores don't, but it's going to be labeled. That's where they are, so let's head over there. So basically, you're going to wait until one comes open. And here we are. Okay, so let's take a look at this thing. First, you've got the screen. That's where all your information and instructions are going to show up. And you've got the scanner, which is what will read the price of your products. You just scrape them across. I'll show you that. You've got the money pad, where you're going to deal with paying with the credit card. And then over here, you're going to put your groceries once you scan them.
Welcome, valued customer. Place your item in the bagging area.
You're looking for the barcode. And the barcode is going to be what goes across the thing. So basically you're going to swipe it. It'll come up on there. And you put it with the other groceries. Okay, here's the thing I came for. But what do you do if there isn't a barcode or if you can't find it? Well, in that case, you can look the item up. You can look it up either by name or by number. Let me show you. All right, so now we've got fresh produce item lookup. We start with avocados, and there's a little tag. The number is 4046.
Enter your avocados. Place your avocados in the bags. Select the item to purchase.
I don't think we got that.
Enter your onions quantity and touch the done button. 1. Place your onions in the bag.
Okie dokie. And now we pay.
Your total is $27.70. If you have coupons, press coupon. Otherwise, select your method of payment. Swipe or insert card and follow instructions on pin pad.
Yay!
Remember to take your receipt. Thank you. Remove all purchased items.
So that's all there is to it. It's pretty easy. I just ate those cookies and they're stuck in my teeth. Anyway, that's how you do self-checkout. And if you have any questions, put them down below. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Oh, that doesn't work on a cell phone.